Hello everyone, welcome to Double Up with Astro. And today I would like to give you a proof video of showing you the results that I have gotten. Most of these leads had came in using this system and they had came in today. It's 6:10. Today is the 27th of August. And as you can see, you can check out these opt-ins that I had gotten today. They all came in today. And just by me using this wonderful platform that I've been using to generate leads and sales. And so let me check right here. Go into my back office. And this is pretty much, the back office of the Power Lead system. And you can get started also. You can get started today. And, this is a particular platform that can help you create multiple and unlimited capture pages to help brand yourself and your business. It has its own built-in autoresponders. And just as a well done for you system. And many people when they join into network marketing, they have the struggles of creating their own content and creating their own brands to stand out. And a lot of platforms don't allow you to do that. And if you do, you have to pay extra amount of fees just to get started. And everybody's not tech savvy. So this particular platform helped me out, and you can promote any business that you have, and that's the name of the game is attracting, branding yourself to make you stand out. A lot of people, doing things replicatable and not able to stand out, and that can be the part of affecting your opt-in rates and the amount of results and success that you have when you're promoting online. So you know here in the back office, you see me, I'm here still at the platinum level, which if you come in at the platinum level, you get $400 of you get a $400 of income, coming in. The diamond, you get $100 per person that joins under the diamond level. At gold, you get $20 residuals. So anyone that comes in at the gold member level under you, you get $20 of residuals, and that come in every month. So that's very, very powerful, to have that residual month. Just think if you can get like 10 people to sign up. You know what I'm saying? 10 people to sign up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200. It's like about $200 a month. So very, very powerful. And you have, different training back here that could get you started. You can try out all these different trainings once you do join. You can get the endless free leads mobile, in case if you're on a budget or if you don't have a lot of money to do paid advertisement. You want to check this out right here. And this teach you how to market on Facebook and LinkedIn and any other type of social media platform. You can use these same skills, and you have free ad secrets if you want to get into doing ads, and that can do some training right there. Roadmap to riches, they'll teach you how becoming a good entrepreneur. Training areas, and like I said, all this stuff is powerful when you join into the Power Lead system, and that's something that you want to do. And if you would like to get started with me today, the link in the description will be below. If you do start off with me at the gold level, I'll make sure that I give you free marketing training that you can use to help push your business to the next level. That's something that we all need is advertisement. You need eyeballs on your business in order to really be successful, in order to really be able to get leads, in order to really be able to get sales. That's what you need. You need eyeballs. You need attraction. You need exposure. Exposure is the name of the game. And that's what a lot of people struggle with, is getting those amount of leads. And this system can help you do that. So I do have other videos that describe deeply into detail. But for now, just wanted to show you proof that this system does work, and it could work for you, as well. If you do put in the work and you apply yourself into it, this could very much help you, you know. So, it's got email. You can send out your own email, your email blasts. So you can send out to your prospects, to follow up with them. And, the money is in the list. You want to build up your email list. That's where the money is at. Because a lot of people don't buy off the first time they see an opportunity. Sometimes it may take them 5 or 7 tries in order to, actually want to actually put into it and, buy your product. So that's why this has a good built-in autoresponder, where you can be able to send out those automatic emails in the different types of series, and they can be able to catch on to them and be able to click on your opportunity. So that's enough for now. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button if this video does some interest to you. Again, you want to hit that link in the description below. And, any videos that you want me, if you want to request to me, I definitely get those videos out to you. Once again, welcome up to Double Up with Astro. I will see you on the other side. Peace.